Okay. I did 2 hours 30 minutes live stream last night. Oh, that's good. And do you have any new upload video, Josh? We are waiting for your new upload video. Yan, eksakto. Oh. See? I think hindi ko na kailangan itong dikitan kasi meron pa siyang still may sticker pa siya doon na natitira. So, me has reels on Facebook. So, are you active on Facebook Reels? I'm not active on Facebook Reels, Josh. Only in YT, but so I need to put this one. Okay. And then the cover. Let me see. Wow. Very good. Not really, but YT way more just me or Marimar. Yeah. YT is much better than Reels. There's no revenue on the no money on Facebook. That is for my private only. See? Jajan, you see that, guys? What? Wait. I have something. Okay, that's good. Jajan, you see? So cute. I monetize on both platforms. Wow, good, very good. Congratulations. I'm not yet. Only with Reels. In StreamYards, not yet. And I don't have any. I don't put too much effort for that. No need to effort. No need for that effort. Yeah, and you see that guy, so cute. Ayan. Jajan. Kulo kandiyan na sa tao. Ay. So you see, guys, I still have lots of diamond painting here to put inside the big frame. I need more frames, and this is the tiger, the daisy, the rose. I think this is rose. And the snake dragon, the goat. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the same size. And the circle I have 2 circle, and I have 2 butterfly, the big size. So I need to make some frames.